Yeah, welcome to Annor Tutoring, where we are devoted to building excellence in students. In our video today, we are going to look at how to use our calculator to solve determinants, inverse, and transpose of matrices. So if you are ready, I'm also ready for you. Let's dive in. Our first question being given to us is to find the inverse of the matrix B, which is 4, -1, 2, and 3. So we'll go straight to our calculator and input our matrix B into our calculator. So to do that, we will press on mode. You press on mode and number 6, which is what? For matrix. We press on number 6. So we are going to enter matrix B into what? Our calculator. We will enter it in mat A, which is number 1. So we press on number 1. Then it's asking us what form of matrix do we want to input in. Looking at our question is what? A 2x2 matrix, and 2x2 matrix is leaning towards number 5. So we press on number 5. So we input in, we have 4. We press equal to -1. We press equal to, we have 2 equal to, we have 3 equal to. So after we are done inputting the data for matrix B into our calculator, we press on AC. It does not mean that we have cleared it from our calculator, but it's still off. So after we pressing on AC, we press on Shift. Then you can see number 4 written on top matrix. So you press on number 4. So we are what? Finding the inverse of what? Matrix B. And you remember that we input matrix D in what? Mat A. That is number 3. So you press on number 3. And to bring the inverse sign, you press on this X, raised to the 4 -1, where I have placed my mouse pointer on. So you press on it, and it shows that what is the inverse of what? Mat A. So all you do is that you press your equal to. So after you press your equal to, an answer shows up. So we have an answer which is, for the first time, we have what? 3/14. 3/14. If you still want a decimal, you can press on the SD as I did. So we have 0.214 if you are leaving it in 4 decimal places. If you want a fraction, you can still press on SD. So you get what? 3/40. Then you use our arrow key to move on to the next one, which you have what? 1/14. We have what? For the next one to the third one, we have -1/7. And for the last one, we have what? 2/7. So this is how we can use our calculator to solve for what? Inverse of a matrix. Let's move on to the next question, which we are told to find the determinant of the matrix M. Find the determinant of the matrix M, which is a 3x3 matrix, which is 1, 2, 5, 6, 3, 4, 1, 0, 2. So we will press on AC. So to do that, what we just do is that since the calculator is already in the matrix mode, if place it in the matrix mode, we don't need to stress ourselves and still go and press on mode again. So what we do is that we just press on Shift. Then you press on number 4, which is written on top matrix. So after you press on number 4, you press on number 1 to go and input the matrix N into it. So press number 1. So you remember that to be placed matrix B for the first question in mat A. So we can still do it that same way. So we can say number 1, then it will ask us which matrix are we inputting, and you can see 3x3 matrix here, which is what's number 1. So you press on number 1. So we have our data, which is 1. We press equal to, we have 2, equal to, we have 5, equal to, we have 6, equal to, we have 3, equal to, we have 4, equals 1, equals, you have 0, equals, and we have what? 2 equals. So we've been able to input the data into our calculator. After that, we press on AC. So after we press on AC, we press Shift and the number 4. we are finding the determinants of what? The matrix. You can see number 7, the menu that popped up, number 7 is written out text. That is representing the determinant. A determinant. So you press on number 7, it shows up depth of what? So we are finding out the determinant of what? Matrix M. And you remember what? When we're inputting the data into our calculator, we inputted into what? Math A. So to bring math A, we press on shift and number 4. So math A is what? Number 3. So press on number 3, we close our brackets, then press equal to. So it has given us an answer, which is the determinant of matrix M, which is what? Negative 25. When we solve it manually, we will still arrive at what? Same answer, negative 25. So we can see that what our calculator can really help us to what? Reach at an answer so easy and so simple. So let's go to our last question, which is what? We have to find the transpose of the matrix Q, which is a 3x3 matrix, which is 1, 0, 1, 3, negative 1, 2, negative 4, 3, and 1. So let's go and input our data into our calculator. So you press on shift and number 4. Then we choose number 1 so that we can what? Go and enter our data in. So press on number 1. So we still what? Input it in matrix A. So number 1 is what? A 3x3 matrix. So we still what? Press number 1. So we have what? The question which we have 1. Forget about what is already in. Just input what you can see. So as you input it in, it what? It will be changing. You get it? So we have 1 there. We input it in. We have 0. We input it in. You see when we place 0 there, what? It changed. You can see here we have 6, but when we get there, which is what? 3, we input it in, it to change. So you don't need to worry yourself and all that. So here we have 1. Then here too we have what? 3. So you can see what it has changed. So here too we have negative 1. Here we have 2. Negative 4 equals 3 equals, and we have 1. So we've been able to enter the data into our calculator. So you press on AC. After we doing that, we press on shift, then number 4. And a menu pops up. So with the menu, you can see number 8 written TRN. That is representing the transpose. The transpose. So we press on number 8. Then it's asking us what matrix do you want to transpose it. So to bring where we stored our data, and you remember what? We stored it in math A. To do that, we press on shift and number 4. And we press number 3 to bring out math A. Number 3. So we close our brackets, then we press equal to. An answer shows up that what we have been able to what? You can see written on top answer. So ANS, which is answer. We have 1, we have 3, negative 4, 0, negative 1, 3, and all that. So you can see that what we have been able to what? Do that. So all due son, we have come to the end of this video. If this video saved you, I'd like you to please hit that like button, share it to your friend so that he also gets to learn about how to use the scientific calculator to solve matrices, and also subscribe to the channel Annor Tutoring. Hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be the first person to get notified. Thank you so much for your time. This is Annor Tutoring once again. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.